We're in the town of Claver, no, for a late lunch stopover. Malaki na pala yung town of Claver. So what I observe here, yung mother ata is running for mayor, the son is running for vice governor, no, Go Kiangki. We're in the inner streets kasi ito yung available na open na mga kainan, no? We ate yan sa Crispy King kasi yung Bayas Lounge Cafe punuan. Ito yung inside, no, ng Claver. It's open.
Coffee. There, they put up this building here.
Sa kanila? Ito. Wala ka napansin dyan? Yan. The mother is running as mayor. The son is running as vice governor. I think itong area, no, sa kanila. No? Gyeokgangki, mga Chinese. It's the story, being repeated all over the Philippines. Case of mga political dynasties. Parang isang block sa kanila to eh. Saan tayo? We're going Lake Mainit. Kasi tingnan natin yung mapa here. Nalabas ba? Is our automatic ba siya? Yan.
Head west on Pacquiao Street.
And then the location is it's 54 kilometers here from here. And destination is Lake Lake Mainit, ano? Following the hindi na pala coastline. Magko-coastline tayo pagkatapos balik ulit. And then ayan, yun yung location. Okay?